Welcome to Smart Science. We are going to learn new lesson, food and nutrition. Can you recall why do we need food? Human being cannot live without food. Children, all living thing need food. Living thing cannot live without food. If you not eat food, human being will die. What is meant by diet? Diet consists of vitamins, protein, fiber, carbohydrates, and minerals. What are the reason for variation in diet? Children, every day we are eating dal, rice, chicken, fish, egg, etc. Can you tell? Some of the food items in everyday meals are given below. Read their names: rice, moong dal, amti, chawli, usual chapatis, jawar bhakri, cabbage bhaji, pumpkin, raita, carrot salad, onion koda, garlic, chutney, lemon, pickle, yogurt, papad. Every day we are eating dal, rice, chicken, fish, chapati. Staple food. Chapati, bhakri or rice form a part of every meal we have. We eat more of this food than of other. Therefore, wheat, jawar, rice are said to be our staple food. Children, every day we are eating rice, chapati, dal, bhaji, sabzi. These veg foods contain vitamins, fiber, carbohydrate, protein. However, we eat with chapati, bhakri or rice, we eat several items which make our meals tasty, tastier. Besides, for reason of good health, it is important to include these food items in our meals. Children, every day we are eating rice, chapati, bhaji, sabzi, chicken, fish, etc. These food contain carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fibers, minerals, etc. Every day we are eating food. Food contains lots of vitamins and energy. Variety in food stuff. What food stuff are used to prepare the other item in our meals? Some of these food stuff and their names are shown in the box on page 43. Which one are familiar with? If there are some which are not seen, to try to get, look at them now. Look at the food stuff in the box. You can see chiku, chili, cloves, groundnut, jawar, radish, eggs, sesame, bajra, safflower, bitter gourd, milk, cucumber, tamarind, sesame, raw mango, black pepper, bajra, lemon, chicken. Variety in food stuff. Children, these food provide carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals and fiber, etc. Every day we are using in our diet. These food contain lots of energy, provide lots of carbohydrate, protein. From which one do we get flour? We know. From which one do we get butter, ghee, milk? Milk provide ghee, butter and yogurt. From wheat we get flour. From wheat we get flour. From milk we get butter, ghee and yogurt. From which one do we get oil? Sesame provide oil. Safflower provide oil. Which of these do we get from animals? Hen give us eggs. Which one give us sweet, sour taste or spicy hot? Chili gives spicy taste and lemon taste in sour and bitter gourd is bitter and mango is sweet in taste. Which one do we eat raw? Apple, mango we can eat raw. Which one do you use in small quantity? Sugar, oil you should use in small quantity. Sugar, oil, salt you should use in small quantity. Which one are used in large quantity? Rice, pulses and wheat we are using in large quantity in our diet. You have seen what a wide variety there is in our food stuff. You use different food stuff for different purposes. You use milk to get butter. We get flour from jawar, bajra to make bhakris. To add a sour taste, you use lemon or tamarind or raw mango. When making sweet, you may use either sugar or jaggery, which we get from sugar cane. Children, every day we are eating food. Food provide lots of energy. From milk we get butter. From we get flour to make chapati. And lemon use for lemon juice. Lemon is sweet in taste, and for sweet making you are using, if you want to make sweets, then you are using sugar and sugar cane, jaggery. If you want to make sweet, halwa and other sweet, then you are using sugar and jaggery to make sweet very well. Just as there is variety in the food stuff we use, there are different in people's like and dislike. We tend to eat the item we like again and again. We also tend to always avoid what we don't like. However, the most important thing to ensure that the food related needs of our body are all being met. The food consistent that meet the different needs of our body are present in all our food stuff in varying quantity. Some of the consistent give our body the energy it needs. We work or play all day long. Also work like respiration and digestion of food goes in inside our body. The body needs energy for all this work. Some concentration help our body to grow. Children, every day we are doing lots of work. We are walking, we are playing. For that we also require energy. For that this energy where it's coming from food. Some concentrate help our body to grow. They also help to repair the wear and tear of our body that take place in everyday work. Some food concentration help to nourish our body. They help to create a store of substance that gives energy to our body. Some food concentration are necessary for certain special reason. For example, some concentration make our bones strong. Some concentration give the body the ability to fight disease. And for all the function of our body to go on smoothly, we need to drink plenty of water. Children, every day we need lots of water. We need to drink lots of water because we are walking, we are playing, working. For that we provide food. That food provide energy in our body. If our body is to work properly, it must remain healthy. So you must include all the foods considered in our diet. Children, every day we should eat healthy food. You should eat rice, chapati, dal, fish, chicken, eggs, salad, fruits, etc. Food provide lots of energy. Food give us carbs, carbohydrate, protein, fiber, vitamins, fats, etc. We get all these food consisted from different foodstuff in different quantity. That is why we keep using different foodstuff in our daily meals. Such a diet ensure proper nourishment for our body. Every day we are eating food, we are working, we are playing. For that we require energy. But this energy is coming from food. If human being will not eat food, human being will die. Without food we cannot survive in our world. So we need food in our diet. Some people believe that costly food are more nourishing than expensive food. But that is not always true. All expensive food are not nourishing. Similarly, all cheaper foods are not nourishing. It's a thing that some costly food provide more energy and some cheap food provide less energy. But it's not like this. We should eat healthy food in our diet. We should eat dal, rice, sabzi, bhaji, roti, chapati, milk, butter, etc. Every day we should eat healthy food. Preserving the nourishment in food ingredient. While preparing food items, some of the constituents in the foodstuff can get destroyed. We can take the following precaution to avoid that. When cooking food, add only as much water is necessary. Children, if your mother at home cooking food, we should add water as much as required. Use pressure cooker or cover the food. Use the pressure cooker or cover the food with a lid while cooking it. If you are cooking any vegetable soup, then you should cover the lid in proper manner. Here we can see the picture of kitchen. See, so many things are here. If you are cooking any dishes, we should add the water as much as required. If you are using pressure cooker, then you should cover the proper lid while cooking it. Sprout pulses before using them. Use them while the sprouts are still small. Do not wait for them to grow long. Use whole grain flour without sifting. Eat fruit like chicos, figs, grapes, apple along with their skin. Children, if you are eating fruits, chiku, figs, grapes provide, they nourish our skin, they provide energy. Besides, vegetables like carrot, radish, cucumber, beetroot should be eaten raw in the form of salad. If you are using if you are making salad in our diet like carrots, radish, cucumber, beetroot to make salad, it provides lots of energy. Whenever possible, mix 2-3 foodstuff in a dish. For example, add onion, potato to as usual. Add drumstick to curry. Add some soaked dals while cooking vegetable. Children, if we are eating fruits and raw vegetable in our diet, it provides lots of energy. Children, we should eat fruits and raw vegetables in our diet. Whenever it's possible to make salad with onion, cucumber, carrot and beetroot. Make a salad with it and make a fruit salad with it, chiku, fruit, and then eat it. It provides lots of energy. You should eat healthy food in our diet. Fruit provide carbs, protein, vitamins, fiber and mineral, etc. So we should eat healthy food in our diet. A tongue for tasting. As usual, we had all gathered in the garden in the evening. Monica Tai said, "Shall I tell you something funny about our tongue?" As we drew closer to her, she said, "How do you make water sweet without sugar? Just to try this. Chew an amla well and drink water right after that. Then the water tastes sweet." Children, in this picture you can see there is a girl. First she is eating amla. Then after that she is drinking water. So she feels water is sweet in taste. Children, you can do the experiment at home. You can see first this girl is what she is doing. She is eating amla. Then after some time she is drinking water. Then she is feeling water is sweet in taste. "Really, I never knew this," said Mary. Then Balu said, "We learned last year that our tongue helps us to taste things, but how does only one tongue tell us the different taste?" Subhash piped up, "So do you want to different tongue for your every taste?" Then made every laugh. Then Monica Tai said, "Balu, we have only two eyes. How much colors do we see with them? So one tongue can also tell us many tastes." Children, in this girl and boy that discussing about the taste. One color, how it tastes, different taste. So what Balu is saying, we had two eyes, but we are observing, we are seeing so many things in our world. As it is like tongue also tastes different taste. If you are drinking lemon juice, then it is sweet. It is sour in taste. If you are eating sweet chocolate, then if you are eating chocolates and cakes and burger and gulab jamun, it is sweet in taste. If you are eating spicy food, then we feel spicy in taste. Observe this. Wash your mouth, clean your tongue and stand in front of the mirror. Stick your tongue out and look at it carefully. We'll see tiny peaks on the tongue. They are called taste buds. This taste bud tell us the different tastes. Children, what you can do at home? You can do at home. Wash your mouth and clean your tongue and stand in front of the mirror. What can you do? Stick your tongue out and look at carefully. We'll see the tiny picks on the tongue. They are called taste bud. These taste buds tell us the different taste. Here we can see the picture of tongue and small dot. It is called as taste bud. Here we can see note the different taste. Let us see how the tongue tells us the different taste. Collect the following things. Sugar candy jaggery is sweet in taste. Salt is sweet in taste. Tamarind lemon is sour in taste. And fenugreek is spicy in taste. And piece of it amla is sour in taste. Taste each of these things. After tasting each one, rinse your mouth with water. Wait for 2 minutes and then taste the next one. Copy the following table in your notebook and complete it. Children, this experiment we can do at home very easily. What you have to take? sugar candy and jaggery. If we eat, it is in sweet in taste. It is salty. In lemon is sour in taste. Fenugreek seed is spicy in taste. A piece of an amla is sour in taste. Here we will see play a game. 4 or 5 of you can play this game together. One person is each one of the other tell it is the name of food stuff. For example, raw mango, green tea, chutney, rock salt, and bundi, laddu, khari, bundi, chiku, a medicine, etc. Children, if you are eating chili, if you are eating green chili is spicy in taste, raw mango is sour in taste, rock salt is salty in taste, bundi laddu, khari bundi is bundi laddu, khari laddu, chiku is sweet in taste, and medicine is bitter in taste. Here we can eat different thing, different food taste different from the tongue. If you are eating bitter gourd is bitter in taste. If you are eating amla is bitter in taste. If you are eating tamarind, then imli is sour in taste. Amla is sour in taste. If you are eating raw mango also is sour in taste. Green chili chutney is spicy in taste, and rock salt is salty in taste. Bundi laddu, khari bundi, chiku is sweet in taste, and medicine is bitter in taste. The child who is it must show the meaning what it tastes like, turn it to be. What everyone has had, turn it being, it name the finish. What you learn, our diet include many different food items. There is a great variety in the food stuff. We used to prepare different dishes. The foods consisted that meet our food related needs are present in these food stuff in different proportion. Our food related needs are met if our body get all these foods constitutes in the right quantity. We should eat the food right time. Our taste buds also help us to know the different tastes. Children, you have seen the picture. One boy is showing the taste buds. So our tongue, taste bud help us to know the different taste. So children, you should eat healthy food in our diet, and you should drink lots of water in our diet, and you should eat fruit salad, and you should eat raw vegetable salad in our diet. Always remember, our diet should include all kind of food stuff. So children, we are here learn lesson how to eat food at right time. So children, enjoy this lesson and revise it at home. Please share and like my videos and subscribe my channel for more upcoming lesson videos.